Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video because I got Roxanne. Oh god.
Whoa.
This thing's heavy.
Oh jeez.
I dropped my child. Oh, she's a lot smaller than I thought.
Here.
And my nails are not long enough.
Open sesame.
Child. Open child. Open child. There we go. Yee.
Cut all these things. You hold the camera.
Alright.
And I'll cut these.
Alright. So we're cutting her.
Rubber bands.
Yes. There's Roxanne. Say hello. Hello. So yes, this is Roxanne, and she's the ready for bed baby. She's like the little sips, but she's a little bit different. Oh, she's not that different, but.
I like that blanket thing.
And she's like the little
pajamas?
sips, but she just comes with more stuff. Here. Oh, one hand. There. And her book. Oh, Cracker. This came in my Baby Life Isabel. The what's it called? Her damn pigtails. Oh. Oh, she's a lot smaller than I thought. So here's all her stuff, her bottle, her blanket thing, toy, Cracker, book, and pajamas. Oh, and diapers. Holy, that's a lot. So yeah, this is Roxanne. She's 3. And yeah, if you haven't seen her, then go check out my YouTube short about Roxanne. So yeah. Anyways, guys, this is an anniversary of 5 years of collecting Baby Alives. And this is my 60th Baby Alive, guys.
Dun, dun, dun.
So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, bye. And go check out my YouTube short about her if you haven't. Bye.